So you can see visuals are getting created, you can see, and you can customize it as well. From here there is an option of to customize. In this video I am going to tell you how you can create visuals and graphic easily using AI. So I am going to use Napkin AI in this video to create visuals and graphics. So it is very easy and I use it often for various tasks. So I directly go to my PC and show you how you can use Napkin AI. So to start this process, first of all you need to open google.com and herein you need to type Napkin AI. So after that open this napkin.ai, the first link, and you need to first log in. You can sign in with your Google as well. So let me sign it with my Google account. You can click on any email address or Google. So I will sign in with Google. So after logging in you need to click on new napkin, click on blank napkin. So I will start from the scratch. Herein you can paste the content or you can use their AI as well to create the content. So you can go to any AI to create a content or you can copy paste the content here. So for example I have added this content here. You can use any AI tool as well to create a content. For example you can see this there is a sign here. So this sign is to generate visual. You can generate visual anywhere in the this. You can, as you can see, I have created visuals as well using this trick only. So how I did it, for example, let me select this data entry and processing, and after selecting it, so you can click on this blue generate visuals. Just tap on this and it will take only few seconds to create visuals for you, and it will create a beautiful visual for you. So you can see visuals are getting created, you can see, and you can customize it as well. From here there is an option of to customize your visuals. From here you can add summary, you can choose it which visual you want, this one or that one. You can choose it accordingly. You can enter any specification, like let me enter the bar chart tubes. So it will create a bar chart tube for me. So let's customize it. You can see it is not created for bar chart for me. It is very useful. So you can select like this. You can see these are the numbers, dots. You can simply select it. It is very easy. Select this specific area and then you can use this feature. So I have selected this number size. Again let's create a visuals for this numbers arrows, creating a visual for me for different headings or subheadings. So it is created for me. You can see it is looking beautiful. You can select any one of them for your requirement, and after creating visuals you can click save it as well. So you can get a shareable link as well, or you can download it as PDF as well. So let me download. You will get these options. You can select single page or presentation form. Let me select for presentation form. So it is exporting file for me. You can save the file. It will save the file for you. You can now open the file. It has created a PDF file. You can see this number of pages, 4 pages it has created for me. Everything is looking fine. So you can use this Napkin AI to get files like this, and you can see charts and everything. Visuals are looking beautiful. So I hope friends now you will be able to use Napkin AI. So in case you face any problem using this AI tool, then you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give you a reply. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.